parts washers allow operators to work efficiently under optimum health and safety conditions. Degreasing is effective and immediate thanks to the cleaning solution which unstick dirt and residues. Machining oils, high-temperature greases, printing inks, even carbonate parts are quickly eliminated. A biological parts washer has 3 essential components: a parts washer for optimum cleaning of parts, a solvent-free cleaning solution based on surfactants that unstick dirt and residues efficiently, a microorganisms tablet to biodegrade the hydrocarbons and to regenerate the solution. The biological parts washer is ergonomic and perfectly fits into your workshop. Every feature of the parts washer has been optimized. Our parts washer has already gained its spurs in many business sectors, where it is used every day by thousands of operators, who definitely appreciate its efficiency and how it protects their health and safety. Our biological parts washer is a new cleaning concept designed to satisfy your needs.